In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to tickets in Freshdesk. By the end, you'll know exactly how to label your tickets so they're easier to find, filter, and report on without changing anything else about your workflow. First, open the ticket you want to work with. From your Freshdesk dashboard, head to the Tickets tab. This shows your ticket list. Select the specific ticket you want to tag. If you have a lot of tickets, use the search or filters to locate the right one quickly. Once the ticket opens, you'll be on its detail page where all the important information lives. Next, look to the right side of the screen for the Ticket Properties panel. This sidebar holds fields like status, priority, type, and requester details. In that panel, find the field labeled Tags. If your sidebar looks collapsed or you don't immediately see it, expand the Properties section so the full list of fields is visible. The Tags field usually sits with other classification fields and is easy to spot once the panel is open. Now it's time to enter your tag. Click into the Tags field and start typing a word or short phrase that describes the ticket. As you type, Freshdesk will suggest existing tags that match what you've entered. If one fits, select it to keep your tags consistent and avoid accidental duplicates. If you don't see a suitable option, finish typing your new tag and press Enter to create it. You can add more than one tag to the same ticket. Simply repeat the process, pressing Enter after each tag so they're added individually. Keep your tags clear and purposeful. Think categories like billing, bug, or feature request. Consistency is key, so try to follow the same wording and style your team already uses. Also, avoid adding any sensitive details in tags, since tags are often used in reports and shared views. Before you move on, make sure your changes are saved. Scroll to the bottom of the Properties panel and click Update. This is essential. If you navigate away without updating, your new tag won't stick. After clicking Update, you should see your tags reflected in the Tags field right away. That's it. You opened the ticket, located the Tags field in Ticket Properties, added the tag by selecting an existing one or creating a new one, and saved your changes. With this simple habit, you'll improve searchability, streamline triage, and get cleaner analytics across your support queue. Thanks for watching and happy tagging.